Hello friends and welcome to virtual math class, and today we're going to practice comparing numbers up to 15. The cub. Students will know how to compare numbers up to at least 15. Students will understand that comparative language greater than, less than, and equal to. Students will be able to compare sets of objects using comparative language. Vocabulary. So of course we had compare, which means to describe objects using words like more, less, or the same. We have greater than, which means having more. And if you notice, they circled the set of objects that has more. So we would say the set of orange flowers are greater than the set of blue flowers. We have equal to, and equal to means the same as. And if you notice, there are 3 red flowers and 3 yellow flowers that have the same amount. So they're equal to each other. So we would say the red flowers are equal to the yellow flowers. Then we have less than, which means not as much. And if you notice here, instead of circling the amount that has more or greater, they circled the amount that has less or not as much or not more. So when we compare these sets of objects, we would say the orange flowers are less than the blue flowers. All right, so let's do a quick review. All right, Ms. Blanks has 3 apples and 2 bananas. Which is greater or more? We have 3 apples and 2 bananas, so which is greater? The apples. And when we're using comparative language, we would say 3 is greater than 2 because 3 is more. All right. So remember when Ms. Blanks wanted to make the burgers and the fries equal, and I had to add the fries to make it an equal amount, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. If you notice, they're the same amount, so we could say 4 is equal to 4. All right. Ms. Blanks ordered 2 slices of pizza and 1 taco, which shows less or not as much. So we have 2 slices of pizza and we have 1 taco, so which shows less? The taco. So when we're using the numbers, we would say 1 is less than 2. All right, so let's compare sets of objects using comparative language. So I just want to review the comparative language vocabulary again. So less than means not as much or not more, and that'll be on the red card. Greater than means having more. That'll be on the green card. And equal to means the same, okay? And if you forget what they mean, just pay attention to the pictures. All right, so we've seen these pictures before, right? So we have our rhombuses and we have our clovers, okay? So right now we know that there are 9 diamonds and there are 4 clovers, okay? And we also knew that the diamonds were greater than the clovers. But now we're going to use a sentence stem, a comparative language sentence stem, and use the numbers instead of the objects. So this would be 9 is greater than 4. Can you say that? 9 is greater than 4. Good. All right, so we have our rockets and our basketballs. So we have 10 rockets and we have 14 basketballs. And remember in our other assignment, we saw that the rocket ships were less than the basketballs. Now we're going to put that into a sentence, okay, using comparative language and the numbers. So it would be 10 is less than 14. Okay, can you say that? 10 is less than 14. Why is 10 less than 14? Yes, because 10 is not more than 14, or 10 is not as much as 14. Good job. All right, and of course we remember the pizzas. We all love pizza, right? Ms. Blanks does. All right, so we have 12 pizzas here and 12 pizzas here. We knew that they were equal to. So we're going to use our comparative language sentence and use the numbers, okay? So we would say 12 is equal to 12. Okay, can you say that with me? 12 is equal to 12. Good job. All right, now you're going to go ahead and complete your assignment on Nearpod. Okay, now the assignment will contain comparative language and also contain missing numbers as well. So make sure you pay attention to that. All right, do your best. See you soon.